Acheni nipigie Lone Ranger.
Hizo vitu brada.
Akuja tuelezee. Last time ni kama hatukuelewana. Si ndio? Hello Lone Ranger. Nakumbuka wale watu walikuwa wameniambia nikutafutie kilomita last time. Ni kama they need clarification ya hizo point. Hiyo conversation ni kama hawakuelewa kitu but wako interested kujua mbona kuelewa. So hiyo place tulikuwa opposite to karibia hiyo place ukatoa. Sasa hii hata tuko na wao washa kusanyika na wameketi hapa. Actually ni watu tunakuona.
Tumungoja.
Lone Ranger anakimbia.
Saseni. Poleni mmechelewa. I've just received a call from Fred. Na mimi nimeona tu from the look of faces zenu like you cannot last time atungeza engage kwa extensive dialogue. Niliona hamjaelewa hivi. Na kama nyinyi wachache wenye nimachukua hivi hamjaelewa, I'm feeling like if we want to take it to the world ni ngumu if I cannot start with you guys. So poleni, leo tena nimerudi niwaelezee hiki kitu poa. Si ndio? And in fact today I've brought even handouts ndo tuweze kuelewa vizuri. Unajua sisi ni watu wakubwa, ngumbaru ni ngumu. So hata kuna vitu naweza waambia msishike, lakini at least when you have a copy tunaweza saidiana. Ndio. Na ninataka tuangalie hivi na kila mtu ataniambia venye ana understand hizi vitu. Ndio by the time tunatoka hapa at least tukue na idea ni vitu gani tunafanya. And one copy for me. Naona nyinyi mmekaa vizuri. Wacha nijikalishe pia mimi.
Sasa pumzika mahali hapo. Asumbuzo ongea Lone Ranger.
Na believe leo tumekuja tukikuwa open minded at least tuweze kuelewa. Unajua nilifeel empty wakati last time nilitoka na nikawaangalia nikaona watu imeingilia huku ikatokea huku mjaelewa mjasikia.
Walikuwa na expect pesa.
Si ndio?
Baje sisi tumesoma by the way.
Knowledge. Nani hapa hajasoma?
Imparting knowledge.
I was with you. Ilikuwa university gani huko US?
Harvard.
Business school na waona so kumaanisha tuki go through here naona tutaelewana.
Anaandika kizungu rahisi sana.
Kuprint ndio sisi ni wasomi tunapitia tu tukielewa.
Ni kupitia it's easier that way.
Next time try French or German.
Okay, I will. Your wish is my command. So I have diligently examined our community and our nation over an extended period. Na nikakuja nikaona kuna issues zinatu affect, numerous significant challenges zenye zinatu affect sisi wenyewe tukiwa at an individual level na bado tukikuwa as a community both indirectly and directly. So na nikakuja tena nikaona the challenges zenye tuna face kama individuals like me as Betty, like Fred, families, where we come from, communities, institutions na nation, the whole nation hivi ziko collectively zina encompass a plethora of issues like kama kuna poverty, kuna unemployment. Najua hizi vitu zinatu affect, insecurity, kuna incompetence. Like kama sasa tunaona incompetence, mtu anakuja, anakaa hivi anaangalia, amesema yeye ameapply job ya IT. Na yeye mwenyewe hajaiguza hata computer. You see, so anakuja hata haezi incompetency. Na pia tunakuja tunaangalia kuna starvation, drought tunasikia especially the northern part of Kenya, kuna watu wana experience drought and famine. So hizi vitu ni mingi among other concerns zenye tunajua zinatu affect individually, family, nation, institutions. Hizi vitu zote tutakuja kuzifanya zikuwe historia when we discuss them deep tukienda deep tutafanya ikwe a thing of the past. Alafu pia nimeobserve kuna numerous individuals including professionals like doctors, walimu, unajua those that work in the profession field, politicians, humanitarian organizations kama NGOs, they are endeavoring to devise plans and efforts to address these issues. Kumaanisha hata wao wamenotice kuna problem, so wanajaribu kukam na platform, wana sit down in committees and meetings to come with the solutions to these problems, but wameshindwa. Na strategies zao zinaonekana mara mingi zina mislead watu. They often prove to be misguided, and some continue to make erroneous decisions even as we speak. Like saa hizi unapata mtu anasimama anasema today we are going to go this line, lakini haja focus vizuri aone the challenges that we are going to go through that line. So zina misguide watu. Naona nimeongea peke yangu sana. Someone else.
Let me try to yeah.
Oh, merci beaucoup.
I don't want to outshine,
The master.
Yeah. So much as a low key. Yeah. The challenges are numerous and intricately interwoven. I know you are learned, you do understand these things. They necessitate a multifaceted and integrated approach, as no singular solution can effectively resolve all the issues at hand. I know you are getting it. So inamaanisha ni like hakuna solution yenye inaweza resolve hizi vitu zote at hand, but niko sure juu tuko na Lone Ranger leo hapa atatupeleka na truth. Ndio. The issues have persisted for an extended duration since independence, yani huko 1963 kitambo, and require a considerable time frame for resolution. They cannot be addressed overnight. Hizi ni vitu zenye zinaana process si kitu overnight, wiki, days, years, like hadi tufike hapo.
Rome was not built in a day.
Oh yeah. That's our Lone Ranger.
Let me continue. The issues are deeply entrenched and necessitate substantial and radical transformation for resolution. Yani hizi mashida vile naona hata ukiangalia mwenyewe zinahitaji tu transformation. Ziko nyingi, ziko deeply entrenched. There is that transformation that is needed. And again, the changes frequently disrupt established processes and can often lead to discomfort or the forfeiture of assets or status. Individuals must recognize the necessity of transformation to willingly undertake the sacrifices demanded by such changes. Hizi resolutions haziwezi tu kuwa rahisi, according to what I think. Haziwezi tu kuwa rahisi ati you move kutoka hapa hadi hapa, kutoka tuna discomfort. So it calls for sacrifice by all of us. Yeah.
Just to add on, people often exhibit a reluctance to embrace change. Change is always very uncomfortable.
Yeah.
And most of the time you may feel it's such a hard thing to embrace, but we must be ready to embrace change. While individuals have the autonomy to resist transformation, it is imperative to recognize that choices invariably entail consequences. There will always be a consequence for every choice that you make. So if you choose to embrace change, there will be a consequence which will be positive. And thus, a stitch in time can indeed save 9. We still have time to make change. It's never too late to start.
Still, the radical transformation arises from a confluence of creativity and subconscious awareness. What I may say is that for change to come, your change ikuje, and then we accept the change. We need creativity, and we also need awareness of what are we going. What is the change we want? You be aware of that, and again inakuja kupitia kwa the experiences we have, inaweza kuwa spiritual or just life experiences. So we need to be ready for that, na tukue ready kutumia our mind as we embrace the change, as we make the changes needed. Yeah.
So ukiangalia kuna numerous radical transformations zenye they are very necessary na lazima zifanywe. Once I present a significant alteration, tutaangalia, I will afford you the opportunity to reflect upon it and express your perspective. And this will also serve as a platform for pertinent experts to contribute their insights. Tuende tuangalie wale professionals sasa watulete feedback so that we can also gauge that.
Yeah, man. Pia mimi nimeona hapa point nimeiona ikaniguza sana. Just as the challenges are intertwined, the radical measures are similarly interconnected and contingent upon one another. There is no straightforward or universally applicable approach to initiate this process. For instance, we require strategies to generate revenue to foster employment opportunities, while simultaneously necessitating funds to execute these strategies. There exists no singular starting point. However, it is imperative that we commence our efforts, striving to become organized, coherent, stable, and persuasive as we progress along this journey.
It's indeed going to be a very long journey.
My view naona hizi shida ni mingi, si ndio? Na ziko connected. Napata uko unemployed, at the same time unakuwa mwizi, ina lead to insecurity. So mimi naona according to my understanding ni solutions pia ni kama zitakuwa interconnected pia. You solve this pia maybe ita solve it. Na pia hizo solutions lazima zitatumia do, si ndio? Like we have to be ready to do this. Lazima tukuwe na strategy ndo at least tusianze na itulemee, si ndio? That is my understanding.
Okay. Na venye nilikuwa nimewaambia before, you know, as much as we are seeking this transformation, it must be meaningful. Si ndio? Change isikuje na isikue ile change yenye itakufanya ukae stagnant. It must be meaningful, and therefore we must involve the stakeholders. Who are they? Including yourselves. You are the stakeholders here. Tusisemange tu ni wale. For change to come, lazima tukue tume-involve watu wengi, including ourselves, because we understand our environment better than anyone else. And kwa hivyo, we must acknowledge the gravity of the predicament at hand. Lazima tujue hizi shida zenye tuko nazo, tuzijue. Like we identify ni hii na hii na hii na hii. Tujue ni hizo. And then, the initial step, we address any issue zenye inafanya hizi problems exist, and then after that we recognize that the problems will not resolve itself. Ati sasa chai umekelea maziwa pale ijipike, hapana. Lazima tu recognize and then we work towards it. They must be prepared to make significant sacrifices and confront the challenge before it overwhelms them. They must embrace radical measures. Unajua wanasemanga kitu it's better half love than no love. Afadhali usemange nilijaribu na nikashindwa kuliko ungoje kitu ikuwe kubwa. Ni kama kidonda sugu. Unaipata leo ndio hii, unaiassume you're not treating it, baadaye itakuja ikuwe boil and then it spread. So we deal with it, we identify and deal with it. For today, that is all I can say. I know we will be meeting na tutafanya vitu mob, tutaongea vitu mob, but I recognize that you may have had different expectations. Labda mlikuwa mna expect nikuje na mkate na maziwa na kachai kapesa, lakini knowledge, sisi wote hapa ni wasomi. Knowledge tuki impart knowledge kwa watu, that is the best thing that we can do. But it is perfectly acceptable. Naelewa si watu wako na time ya kukalisha chini and then mnakuja mnaongea hivi, but I know we can provide solutions that surpasses diamonds. Zile solutions za hii problem yetu zitakuja na zita exceed mpaka gold. because I believe the problems that we are facing, tukizi handle, we'll have a safer society. And therefore, I implore you to return home and contemplate on this matter. Like, chukueni tu hizi mapapers. Unajua saa hizi tumepitia tukiwa wote, ndo at least tusikie mwingine. And share it with your family, your friends, those people that you associate with. And then you share now his story.
Mtu anaweza make copies.
Yes, you can. Share the information, and then so that we can also know the sacrifices that you're going to make so that we can have these transformations. So, because transformation haikujangi tu hivyo, you must sacrifice. Kuna ka comfort ka mtu mahali kata kuwa twisted kidogo. So share with your associates, and then you'll contact me through Fred. Ataniambia venye mmeongea, and I will be at your service. Mkiniita tu hivi, I'm available. As long as I want these changes, these radical measures to be taken, I will be at your service. And so, everyone, you go home, list the challenges that you're facing, including those of your families, community, na mpaka nation. So, kuna time unakangi unasema hii Kenya yetu, you know, you understand the problems within our country. So, let's have list. Let's list the challenges that we are facing as a family, as a community, as a nation. And then progressively we are going to address these issues so that we can try and resolve them, as long as we make sure that these transformative measures, they are being brought to fruition. I think for today, naona mmechoka, mko na mashughuli mingi. I will release you.
Oh, Lone Ranger.
Yes.
We are so much grateful. In fact, we are taken aback. Like, this is not the response we were anticipating.
I know.
Yeah. But we'll deliberate as a team, reflect on the matter, and if necessary, she will consult associates before responding as requested.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyways, you are very brave. We really recommend you are braver.
Thank you so much.
So to release, you can leave. Then we deliberate on the issues here. Then through Fred, we'll let you do the thing.
Okay, I'm really thankful for giving me your time, your ears.
Yeah.
I do not take it for granted. Once you're done with the deliberations, you just contact me through Fred.
Sure.
Sasa nyinyi mbaki poa na wawishia mema.
Yoni sasa. But I think she has said we list some challenges.
So we listen in the evening.
Tunaweza list saa hii ndo tumwambie,
ama tunaweza taja moja, at least tumupdate, tunapatana jioni.
Kwanza hapa kwetu we've been burying people all over.
hata land hatuwezi uza ovyo ovyo, si ndio? Tume lose value sana.
Help her up. Yeah, so tumesema symmetry.
Symmetry. Tutamwambia tu.
Fred tutamwambia.
Nitaongea na yeye. Tumesema jioni. Story imeingia hadi sasa tunataka kuisikia leo.
Sawa.
Turus.